It's MamaUke, and we're going to learn how to play the A chord. Ta-da! Think of this chord chart as a map or a picture of your ukulele, straight like this. It's a picture of the top. Now the first thing I want you to notice is the color. I chose A for apple because apples are red. Well, my favorite ones, which are Honey Crisp, those are red. I know there are some green apples. And every time you see this chord in any of my videos or printed PDFs, it will be in red, so that way you can recognize it faster. Okay, now let's read it. When there's more than one dot, which represents where you put your fingers, let's start with the one closest to the right or to the bottom. Which string are we going to play? On the count of 3, try to pluck it, okay? 1, 2, 3. That's right. We're going to play this string. It's second to the left, or also known as the 3rd string. Now, which row are we going to use? Count it down. 1, stop, we're done. It's that 1st row. So this string, that row, and which finger? Your 1st finger, your pointer finger. There we go. Okay, now let's do the 2nd finger. On the count of 3, pluck the string. 1, 2, 3. That's right, it's this one on the far left, also known as the 4th string. Now, which row are we going to use? Take a look at your map. Let's count down. 1, 2. The 2nd row. And which finger? This is your 2nd finger, is the middle finger. So, let's place them both. Is that what yours sounds like? I hope so. Gosh, that sounds great. Sounds like an A. Sounds like an A if I've ever heard one. Ah, beautiful A. If yours doesn't sound like that, make sure that your fingers are in the middle of the rows or middle to the front, not in the back. And then also check your tuning of your ukulele. I made a video about that you'll love. The end. I know you're sad that this video is over, but don't worry. There are more chord videos. I recommend you learn D next because it does use 3 fingers, but it's pretty simple because they're all in a row. And keep ukuleleing.